Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video operating the Honda F220 tiller. In this video, we'll show you how to safely operate the Honda F220 tiller. For additional information, please refer to the owner's manual. Gasoline-powered engine exhaust contains carbon monoxide, which is a poison you can't see or smell. Never operate a gasoline-powered engine inside an enclosed area. Operating a tiller can be dangerous if used incorrectly, so it's very important to read all the safety labels closely, and if unsure of safe operation, then refer to the owner's manual. Before operating the tiller, let's identify some of the primary tiller components, starting with the engine oil filler cap, fuel tank cap, tine blades, engine on-off switch, clutch lever, throttle lever, drag bar, starter grip, fuel valve, choke lever, and the front transport wheel. At any time when adding fuel to the tiller, the engine should be off, with the engine cooled and on a flat level surface, and always handle fuel outdoors. The tiller engine is certified to operate only on unleaded gasoline with a pump octane of 86 or higher, containing no more than 10% ethanol. Loosen and remove the fuel cap and set aside. Slowly add fuel to the tank until the level reaches the upper limit line, avoiding spilling. Reinstall the fuel cap securely and wipe up any spills immediately. Before operating the tiller, perform a visual inspection of the machine and inspect for any loose or damaged components that may pose a safety hazard to both yourself and to bystanders. Verify the tiller is on a flat level surface. Check the oil level by removing the oil filler cap and confirm that the oil level is at the upper limit as shown. Locate the fuel valve and turn it to the on position. If the engine is cold, move the choke lever to the closed position. Turn the engine switch to the on or center position. Now move the throttle lever away from the slow position or just about in line with the handlebar. Pull the starter grip lightly until resistance is felt, and then pull briskly away from the engine and return the grip gently to the engine once started. Once the engine is warmed, move the choke lever from the closed position to the open or run position. Move the throttle lever to the slow position until you're ready to till soil. To stop the engine in an emergency, simply turn the engine switch to the off position. If stopping the engine under normal conditions, begin by releasing the clutch lever fully. The tines will not stop immediately and may continue to rotate for a short amount of time. Move the throttle lever to the slow position. Turn the engine switch to either of the off positions. Finally, turn the fuel valve to the off position. To move the front wheel into the tilling or transporting positions, pull the wheel forward away from the tiller, lift the wheel assembly up or down, and then push the wheel assembly back towards the tiller to lock it in place. Once you've reached the area to be tilled, move the front transport wheel to the raised position before tilling soil. Start the engine and move the throttle lever to the fast position. Firmly grasp the hand grips and squeeze the clutch lever completely to engage the tiller tines. The drag bar slows the forward motion of the tiller and allows the tines to dig deeper into the soil. Lower the drag bar to dig deeper into the soil or when working in hard, compacted dirt. Raise the drag bar when working in softer conditions. Allow the tines to dig into the soil. With a firm grasp, control the forward motion of the machine. To turn the tiller, turn the machine to the desired direction, which may require releasing the clutch lever. This video cannot cover all soil condition types, so it's important to refer to the owner's manual and your Honda Power Equipment dealer for any further information.